This is game changing. Just see the details. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup, had rapidly emerged as a formidable competitor in the artificial intelligence landscape, particularly when compared to models like Meta's Llama, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude, and OpenAI's ChatGPT. DeepSeek's models are notably cost-effective. For instance, the training cost of the DeepSeek's R1 was approximately $6 million. Just $6 million. Can you believe this? Compare this to Meta's Llama 3, require around alone $60 million, where OpenAI spends $5 billion per year, and Google expected $50 billion in 2024 alone.
AI research teams have really opened their eyes and have become way more ambitious on what's possible with a lot less capital. So previously, to get to the frontier, you'd have to think about hundreds of millions of dollars of investment and perhaps $1 billion of investment. What DeepSeek has now done here in Silicon Valley is it's opened our eyes to what you can actually accomplish with 10, 15, 20, $30 million.
Even it beats Meta's Llama, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and Anthropic Claude on at 3.2 on accuracy and wide range tests. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Its subset of 500 math problem and AI math evaluation, coding competition, and test of spotting and fixing bugs and code. Almost everything. DeepSeek's models, including the flagship V3, have consistently ranked in the global top 10 for performance on platforms like Chatbot Arena, showcasing their capabilities despite resource constraints. And one of the biggest things that you have not expected, despite proprietary software, DeepSeek is open source. Wow. DeepSeek's commitment to open source development has been a key factor in its success. By making their models publicly available, they have fostered collaborative innovation, allowing the rapid improvements and adaptation. When someone asks that how you will earn, then they replied, DeepSeek's holdings, a quant company, many years already. Super smart guy with top math background. Happen to own a lot of GPUs for trading, mining purpose, and DeepSeek's their side project for squeezing those GPUs. Clearly, they are ready. This approach contrasts with the proprietary models of some competitors and has been highlighted by industry leaders as a significant advantage.
See the DeepSeek new model. It's super impressive.
So, welcome to our deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence, where today we explore a groundbreaking development from China that's turning heads globally. Imagine a startup that, within a short span, has not only surpassed the capabilities of industry giants like OpenAI. Think about the Google. It's like no one talks about my models. Yeah. By the way, this is the story of DeepSeek, narrative of innovation, resilience, and paradigm shift in AI development. DeepSeek emerged from the financial sector, initially focusing on analytics for the hedge fund hive layer. Recognizing the transformative potential of AI, the company pivoted towards artificial intelligence research. Under the visionary leadership of Liang Wenfeng, DeepSeek assembled a team of young brilliant minds from China's top universities, driven by a blend of nation's pride and scientific curiosity. This team embarked on a mission to push the boundaries of AI. In Jan 2025, DeepSeek unveiled its flagship model, DeepSeek R1. This model has been lauded for its exceptional performance, particularly in complex problem-solving domains, such as the mathematical reasoning and logical inference. On benchmarks like AI-MI 2024, DeepSeek R1 achieved a pass rate of 79.8%, slightly edging out OpenAI's O1 model, which scored 79.2%. This accomplishment is even more remarkable considering the resource constraints DeepSeek faced. Think about that. Due to US restriction on advanced chips, DeepSeek had to innovate with limited hardware resources. Instead of relying on extensive computational power, the company focused on software-driven optimization and novel model architecture. Techniques such as the multi-head latent attention and Mixtures of experts were employed, enabling significant energy saving during model training. This approach not only mitigated hardware limitation but also showcased the potential of software-centric innovation in AI. Open source commitment. A distinguishing feature of DeepSeek strategies is its commitment to open source principles. This company released DeepSeek R1 under the MIT license, allowing researchers and developers worldwide to access and build upon their work. This more contrasts with the proprietary approach of many Western counterparts. Meta's chief AI scientist Yan Likham highlighted that DeepSeek's success underscores the superiority of open source models or proprietary ones. Performance and efficiency. DeepSeek's model have demonstrated impressive performance metrics. For instance, in the SWE bench verified benchmark, which evaluates reasoning in software engineering tasks, DeepSeek R1 scored 49.2%, slightly ahead of OpenAI's O1-1217 model, which scored 48.9%. Additionally, DeepSeek's models are noted for their cost efficiency, often providing comparable or superior performance at a fraction of the cost of competitors. And challenges. Despite its success, DeepSeek faces challenges including concerns about potential censorship to align with the Chinese government preferences. Additionally, the company's rapid ascent prompted discussion about the global balance of AI power and the effectiveness of export restrictions. In an interconnected technological landscape, DeepSeek's journey from a financial firm to an AI powerhouse exemplifies how innovation can flourish under constraints. By prioritizing software optimization, embracing open source principles, and fostering a culture of collaboration, DeepSeek had not only advanced China's position in the AI domain, but also contributed significantly to the global AI community. As the company continues to evolve, its developments warrants close attention from stakeholders worldwide. If you find value, do like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on comment down. This is for all. Thank you. Bye bye.